Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to tell you about quick and easy false nail tips. Let's start. Number 1. Reusable semi-transparent cure stick on nails in 15 sizes. If you want to buy these products, links in the description. The color and patterns are made by gel, polished instead of printed by ink. Get salon-like nails in 5 minutes. Number 2. Foamy frame tips press on nails. Number 3. Flower almond press on nails. Number 4. Square press on nails medium length French fake nails. If you want to buy these products, links in the description. Number 5. 24 pieces pink. If you want to buy these products, links in the description. Thanks for watching.